How does Socialive stand out from other solutions you've seen in the marketplace?
With Socialive, we're able to kind of brand the whole side of it, part of it, and have different lower thirds and different engagement tools. And for us, it was a big way to kind of have different camera angles folded to the board as well. So rather than having just one person on screen or having a side by side, we can actually change throughout in real time and make it kind of a full, almost like a sports casting experience you would see on a TV channel. And definitely more options. I mean, we looked at a couple other platforms initially. They were kind of limited on the kind of camera views, a way to kind of do things out in real time, limitations on the branding as well. So that's kind of been a big thing. And just the features overall of the platform you guys have, especially with the scenes is a big one. That's something that kind of is a game changer for me. It's just very kind of seamless, easy to pick up, easy to understand. Like anybody could pick it up and do it. Really just wanted a high quality, production platform that we can make these virtual experiences on. Except having little experience with that, we wanted to make sure that it was kind of a easy to follow process and something that was kind of idiot proof, and it pretty much is. Kind of just click and drag and build the things out on the back end. A little bit of practice you can kind of get through, and for us that was the big thing. Make sure we had a platform that could do all the features we wanted to accomplish and make it kind of easy for anyone to kind of pick it up and do it. And again, we're also kind of branched out from our typical kind of what athletes are available to travel to our event. Now we have much more options. We can do things like celebrities or comedians or musicians, and having ways for them to engage from their homes in a much easier way. So we're able to get a broader reach of talent than we have ever had before, and get our players exposed to kind of these different type of talents.
When choosing to partner with Socialive, what were you looking for in a platform to help solve those problems you were facing?
Yeah, so for us, we have had zero experience doing live streams and virtual events before this started. So it was a lot of research on our side to figure out what we wanted to go with. And for us, the biggest focus was around kind of having a very highly produced and highly engaging platform. We wanted to make it seem like it was a very high-end kind of experience. We didn't want kind of this typical cookie cutter kind of, like a Zoom kind of platform. We want to make it more of a engaging branded experience.
I'd love to hear, where you're measuring success and where you've seen it through your experience using Socialive.
Yeah, so I think the bulk of our events we've done are very kind of private focused. Remember, it's a group of 50 or 100 people, kind of engaging that, the finalists for our championship events, or it'd be kind of a VIP focused kind of thing. And for those, it's all focused around kind of their personal experience with the event we put on. So kind of we're looking at the post-event surveys that sent out there, get kind of their user scores. Those have been kind of off the charts, really high. So that was kind of one way we looked at it. The other part we looked at also, we did actually one public event for NFL kickoff for Thursday Night Football. That was our celebrity watch party, where we posted on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram. We had our own site as well. And that got over 2 million views, which was huge for us. We kind of expected, our goal was 1 million people to see it across all the channels, and we had over 2 million. So it was great to kind of get that kind of exposure. And we had a ton of great celebrities, great content that came from that as well. We were able to kind of recycle it through on social media down the road. So overall, it's kind of a nice feature there.